Today's session is titled Linking Innovation and Financial Performance. I'm Mike Frischel, VP of Global Marketing at Sophion. To better forecast and manage revenue growth projections as well as plan profitability levels, companies realize that they must reconsider the way they approach and manage innovation. The key is the ability to make decisions that recognize the potential of top-line revenue with the impact on bottom-line profit. In short, efficient growth. This webinar will cover what the global manufacturing community is saying about innovation, overcoming challenges that inhibit the ability to innovate and how to approach a new wave of thinking, normalizing data to drive increased visibility across your business and enable more effective decision-making, foundational elements needed to define and create a successful innovation management approach. Our presenter today is Doug Gates. Doug is principal at KPMG and is a national leader in the innovation and engineering service area. Doug has over 30 years of experience in both a industry and services role. Doug currently leads teams delivering major operational improvement projects against a variety of industrial companies. In addition, he is the global leader for KPMG's aerospace and defense practice. Doug, great to have you with us. I'll turn the session over to you.
Thank you, Mike. And on behalf of KPMG, I'd like to thank all of you on the call here for taking the time out of your, what I know are your busy schedules to join this webinar. Also, I'd like to thank Mike and Sophion for hosting this session and providing the opportunity to discuss recent perspectives KPMG has gained from a broad range of companies and around the criticality and difficulties in linking innovation with financial performance. As introduced by Mike, I'm Doug Gates, and I lead KPMG's national practice, providing innovation engineering consulting services across all major industry segments. For those of you, just as a real quick overview, those of you who do not know KPMG, we're one of the world's largest audit, tax, and advisory firms, and our innovation engineering, or I&E practice, is aligned, is part of our management consulting line of business, and is aligned to our global strategy and operations segment. And our practice provides a broad range of consulting and systems implementation services across the full range of innovation lifecycle, from earliest ideation management through PPM, or portfolio management, and product lifecycle management deployments, and to the end state of constructing closed-loop quality feedback environments. Just a quick overview of who KPMG is, and now on to the session. Objectives today, while it is difficult to be interactive in these type of sessions, the objectives we've laid out start with what we are hearing and seeing around innovation from other clients such as yourselves. Hope to provide you with some insights into challenges companies are facing as they drive their complex innovation agendas. We'll also discuss barriers such as enterprise-wide transparency and visibility that can hinder companies in making decisions on which innovation projects to carry forward and which ones to kill. Lastly, I hope to share some insights into key foundational elements that are being used by companies to define and create successful innovation environments. At the end of this, we'll save a few minutes to have a Q&A, and those questions that we don't get to, we'd be more than glad to answer for you offline. The market is rewarding those companies that are able to truly drive innovation agendas that can show tangible financial results. As many of you know even better than I, corporations are often complex and messy, and true innovation does not come cheaply. So build an environment that can provide structure and innovation to manage projects, control cash, and accurately forecast the potential to the street, and doing so without stifling that innovation can be very difficult. Recent conversations with some leading companies, heavy equipment and automotive, have indicated the complexity of trying to manage very large global organizations, trying to organize and gather all the information required to make financial decisions and not create a choking point that, again, the business is stifled. Truly a balance that each company is trying to achieve. KPMG performs an annual Global Manufacturing Outlook Survey, or GMO as we call it. This includes over 300 global manufacturers, and in the 2013 report, seeing trends in the market around innovation, we decided to add a section focused solely around the innovation environment. While we're seeing companies reaffirm the importance of innovation as noted in the graph on the bottom right-hand side, with over 50% of respondents projecting that innovation or new product development will make up more than 10% of their annual revenue. We're also seeing them take a very balanced approach to innovation.